What is up, lads, and welcome back to another matchday video. Today we're playing for my old team after being granted special permission to play games for both my old and my new team. Today we're playing in very windy conditions, with wind speeds reaching about 22 meters per second, making it very difficult conditions. After a corner, they get their first shot on goal. The ball, it takes a deflection off my first defender, making me have to readjust and shift my body weight into an awkward save. You can see the deflection in the way the ball starts to curl after contact with my defender. The wind is making it very hard to properly predict the path of the ball, and really hampering my distribution, which, to be fair, is already one of my weaker abilities as a keeper. Both teams were really struggling, making for quite a chaotic match. It's hard to see from the angle of the GoPro, but this ball, which I'm pretty sure is going over, suddenly starts to dip. Early into the second half, the opposition get their best chance yet, a good through ball leading to a one-on-one with me. I wait for the attacker to commit to an extra touch before rushing out and making myself big. I'm really strong in these one-on-one situations. My defenders were also putting on a superb performance, constantly making critical blocks and tackles. This was so important since the ref seemed to completely forget the offside rule existed. But he really did like to give us yellow cards, which is super annoying because in our league, a yellow card is a 10-minute suspension. Right here, we're getting our second for the game. A good shot, just wide, but I'm confident I would have saved this if it was on target. With about 20 minutes left in the match, we get a penalty. Calm, composed, and 1-0 to us. This is so stupid. One of our attackers gets a yellow card for time wasting, meaning we're down to 10 men for essentially the rest of the match. But that doesn't stop us, as despite being down to 10 men, we score again. At this point, the game is as good as won, but a clumsy handball and they get a penalty in the very last minute. Yes, we are playing on AstroTurf, so no, I don't have grass on my boot. I am trying to make it feel like the left hand side of the goal is more open, trying to force the attacker in that direction. It works and he went left, but I just couldn't reach it. Really disappointed to not be getting the clean sheet today, but a huge 3 points, and that is the most important thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one where we're playing with my new team, DTU.